This is a completion video shot by See Me Dive on the 8th of April 2014, showing work done on the seawall on H-piles. We've installed 32 jet filters, 32 4-inch jet filters and 52 2.5-inch jet filters. You can see the repairs done here on the H-piling, capping up the tieback again, and doing the radiuses all the way down to the bottom. I'm going to continue down. Again, you can see all that white concrete you're seeing down at water edge, that all the way down to the bags. That's all new radiuses put down, installed. So we're going to close up on this 1 4-inch over here, Kyle. Yeah, coming from here. You just ready? Yeah, right. Turn the industry. There you go. 4-inch installed in the wall. All the hardware here is stainless steel. The tap guns are stainless steel. Looking at the tieback, was redone. Another 2.5 inches. You can see again the radiuses. The water is clear enough to show the radiuses are done in the water, and the bags are along the wall. Another 4-inch. The filter. We're going from west to east on the seawall, in west to east direction. Every unit has received 1 4-inch and 2 2.5-inch brackets to allow filtration. We're going to be able to do this, or? Yeah. Yeah? Okay. I think so. Let's slide down. Yeah. Slide down. We got to go underneath the dock here. It requires us to do some alright, cool. Alright. Yeah, 10-4, pulling us forward. Alright. Alright. On the seam up, we get it again. Really 2.5-inch from face up. And you can see the radius all the way down to the bag. Carry on, Kyle. We good to move?
Yep, good move.
Alright. Another 4-inch. Right here, the work was done on the piling itself. The piling was repaired on the top, so is this one. All the cracks were repaired. Any areas that had issues were treated by a rust converter and then concreted. There's all these new tieback caps. We didn't just put concrete on it, we also treated it with converting acid. It another 4-inch. Kayak is about to sink. I don't know how we're going to do this. We have to back up. Alright, clear. Yeah, we'll go around it. Alright. Right here we'll go around. We're going to have to go around the cross member here because we won't fit. You can see all the repairs done. Alright. Steamer. Okay, you can go there. Okay. Even though we got another cross member forward of us. And again, you can see the new radiuses all the way down to the bottom. Capping of the tiebacks. And this one was quite extensive repair to the H-pile. This H-pile was kind of busted up good. 4-inch. Alright, we gotta come out here because we ain't clearing these cross members. No matter how skinny we are. We're gonna go around. Again, you can very clearly see where our concrete work is in the water because it's this light colored concrete as opposed to old concrete that is. It's all the way down to the bottom. There's no cutting corners here. Alright. We can go around this because there's another cross member over there. This guy needs to tie his boat a little closer to the dock, man. This cross member is clear, all the way through. Again, 2.5 inch next to a 4-inch. No? Oh, yeah, okay. Gotcha. Right. Well,
we can sneak out.
Okay. Okay, we're already in. Sorry. Kind of hard to captain this and do camera work. But it's working. See the bags on the bottom. Did we pass the covered pipe already?
Yes.
Alright. We did. For sure?
Yes.
Okay.
The culvert pipe is midships of the trophy boat.
Okay, well let's go.
We can go back to it.
How are we going to do this, Joe? We got to come out
We're
here.
going to sneak out right here.
Yeah.
Push it. Yeah, there you go.
Okay. Alright. Can you steam me back to that culvert pipe? I'm going to shoot that.
Yep.
That's a big repair we did. Alright, we're just returning to one spot that was a big city culvert pipe coming out of the wall, and they never contained that. It was completely open and a lot of sediment ran out of there. I'm just going to show you. And the slab was cracked as well. This was also repaired. Here, right, somewhere?
Okay. Coming up.
Roger. There, it's there. Right there.
Yeah.
Right in the back.
Crashed my boss headlong into a piling.
That's okay. Thank you. Probably improve my looks. There you go.
Maybe on the side.
Yeah. Here. Did a lot of work around this culvert pipe. Sealing it all up. Concreting it. Okay. We're good. That entire area was completely open. Alright, so we go into the bow of that, the one with the dual 250. Okay, I think there's no more cross members, right? Yeah, you can just make it one shot. That's going. The amount of trash that goes in here is kind of flaky. Yeah, there's one more cross member, but that's way further down. So just watch your head, Cal.
Yeah.
Alright. You good?
Do I have to dismount?
Let's dismount the engine?
Yeah.
Okay. I guess the outboard is won't fit underneath here right now. Alright. Make a U-turn here. Alright. It's kind of Italian gondola style. Alright. Well, I need more. There you go. Yep. Coming on that, I think like 2 or 3 really damaged pilings that we redid. Further down, they were in really bad condition. This one is another one that was broken completely on the top. Let's see, tieback. Again, all the white concrete to the bottom is new radiuses. And now with the new jet valve system, there shouldn't be any pressure on those radiuses. Well, Seawall is going to through those holes, through those filters, and reduce the slope of the Seawall by a lot. Are we going to be able to clear that cross member without on it? No, we're not, right? Okay, well, let's go. Put the motor on. All right. Can do an outside photography now. Come closer to the dock now. Yep. One example of a piling that was very much cracked and broken, rebar problems, and now it's completely rebuilt. Again, you can see all the repair that was done. Yeah. Back to power. Alright, this is last portion of the dock right here. You can see in the mid slab there was some major cracking because of undermining of the bottom of the slab. It was all repaired. There's a big 4-inch in there. And we also pegged the bottom with 3 bags. All in all. And also we got extensive repair on the piling, the head of the pile. This completes our survey, completing the work. The work was done by Seagull. This is the 8th of April 2014.